Today we're sanding cabinet doors. You see this is oak, and I'm going to show you the proper way to sand these down and repaint them. First you need one of these. It's like a DeWalt orbital sander. It's got the bag on it. And then we got the 5-inch random orbit 120 grit. We'll use the nose to sand these cabinets down, and show you how to do that. I do all the flat surfaces first. The flat surfaces. So I'm gonna do all the flat surfaces first, and then we can work on the insides. This is something else you'll need. You'll need one of these angle sanders. There we go. Probably see better now. Yeah, for the inside corners, I want to use this guy right here. Got like an angle piece on it. And then for the big flat sides, I'm going to use the orbital sander. We go ahead and knock out all the flat sections first, and then we'll do the middle, and then we'll come back with the corner sander and do all the corners. Just take your time. Just spinning. Just take your time. Go over the top edge. Let the sander do its work. And you can kind of tilt it a little bit, and it'll get the flat surface. See that? That's what it should look like when you get done. Getting the clear coat off. Around the outside. Take your time. Get all the clear coat off of it. Then you can work on the middle. You can see I got all the edges all the way around. Now I'm going to do the middle part. I got the edges all the way around here. Got all those done. Now I'm going to do the middle. edge right there. I'm gonna do this other edge too. And once you get all that done on the inside, then you can stop. You can grab your other, your smallest Ryobi, like angle sander, and you can plug that in. And now you can do all your angles and your edges. So since I've already got it flat like this, I'm gonna go ahead and do the angles. I'm gonna go ahead and put a new, if your sandpaper looks like that, it's pretty much used up. I'm not gonna get much out of it, so I'm gonna go ahead and put another piece of sandpaper on there. And we're using Diablo angle sanders, and it's for the Ryobi, it says right there. And this is the 150 grit 10 sheets, and it's got stickers that stick to the head of the sander. Gotta peel these off. This is like a soft pad. It's probably like I don't know, less than a quarter of an inch pad right here. You put these right on there, and it sticks to that pad. Now we're ready to do the inside corners. Right there needs to be done. You're going to take their time, kind of lean it into the corner a little bit, and move it around. Try to get it in there as best you can. Come do the other corner. Once you get done with your inside corners, kind of blow it off a little bit. Now you can do your banding. That's these edges right here. It's like a band that goes around the edge. You can work on doing those. And the way I do those is I take this and put it right on the edge like that, and just run that back and forth on the edge, and then I kind of like lean it over a little bit to get that part. And you got to do the same thing Same thing on the inside edge right here. Just kind of like lean it in there the best you can and get it sanded. Always keep the sander moving so you don't burn the wood. Kind of like pick it up a little bit. And you want to keep that right there flat with the surface. Kind of move it back and forth, get all that off there. See how that's coming off? Just want to keep doing that. And go ahead and do that all the way up and down. Just take your time with it. That'll give you a nice smooth surface. If these are getting repainted, we're gonna primer them and repaint these gray. I'm gonna get this other edge right here. You gotta kind of like lean it around as you're going up and down so you can get that edge. And you want to get the big long edge. Stick it flat up against this outside edge. Turn it as you stand there. Get all the way around here. Move on to this edge. It's a lot easier than hand sanding it. Right there. Sand it up a little bit. Get your flat surface on that flat surface.
Forcing your trade-in to be worth more than what you would expect. So stop by CS today for a free appraisal and let me make a cash offer on your current vehicle. Even if you don't purchase another vehicle, here at Farmview GMC,
now we're going to get this big long edge right here.
Stop by CS today.
dust off your sanding pad so it's not getting clogged up. And that wood dust don't taste very good. Try to keep it out of your mouth. Check everything, make sure you got the whole thing sanded before you put it on the completion rack. Now we're gonna get the inside. Gonna wipe the dust off the camera lens. All right. Now we're gonna get the inside channel right here. This part. It's a little bit trickier. This part right here now. Just take your time with it. Let it ride that lip a little bit. See the lip I'm talking about. I'm gonna do this lip. And it don't take very much to get these inside lips. Just a little bit of sanding.
This is not a telemarketing center. All calls are inbound only. Learn how your passion can really pay off. Online at Sitel.com. That's Sitel.com. Working at Sitel is fun and exciting. Plus, they offer a comprehensive benefits package. Cover wage increases and internal advancement opportunities. Get more out of your passion by moving your career forward with Sitel and Acela. Apply online today at Sitel.com. That's Sitel.com. Sitel.com. You're at the crossroads.
Okay.
On the new US 1023.
After we get done with these, we put them on a rack. This is our cabinet rack, and on this side is the pieces that need to be painted, and on this side is the pieces that are already done. Okay, and then in here, it's our paint room in here. And this is where we paint our cabinet doors. We have this system right here. It's a Sherwin-Williams 4900, and that's high volume, low pressure sprayer by Graco. And you just turn this button on right here. This light right here is for the filter. That's the filter right there. When that gets clogged, this light will come on, and then you can air out this is the spray gun right here, and it's got adjustments. Got adjustments here and here, and then you put your primer or paint inside this cup right here, and then these are like pretty much done. And we had to fill in the holes on these and re-primer and then repaint it, and then that goes back to the customer's house. And we got these racks over here. These are painting racks for different parts and stuff. And you test your gun out. You want to test your gun out on this, see if it's spraying correctly. And then these are DeWalt, made for a DeWalt system. You put your tools and stuff in there, but we're using them as drying racks. So it's like baseboards that we done painted, and these are like the trim pieces that go on the bottom of these for a customer and everything. And you got your little paint cones that you set your cabinets and stuff on top of these, so you could paint underneath and on top at the same time. And then got all your little blocks that you set your cabinets on, and then more painting supplies and stuff. And that's pretty much it. And working for Valencia Construction, and that's pretty much what I do all day. Installing cabinets and sanding them down, painting them, getting them ready for the customer. So we'll see you later. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that button down there, and send me a comment on what you think. And we'll see you later. Enjoy the video. Bye.